Close enough.
Close enough. Okay. We and Bubba have something in common because we're both from Phoenix, Arizona.
Yep.
Yes. And so, Bubba, can you explain how the drill process works on the JR?
Well, right now we've got the blocks and compensator working up above us. We're going down to drill the core out right now, and then we'll shoot the core ahead of the main bit. So over on this side, you've got the drawworks, and that's holding all the weight of the drill string, which right now is about 500,000 pounds.
Wow.
You see the drill pipe going up and down right now?
Yeah.
But actually the drill pipe's sitting still and the JR is bouncing up and down.
Oh, wow, yeah. So we're the ones that are actually moving.
We're actually moving.
And so as it's spinning, it's drilling.
We're drilling the hole.
Yep.
And then we're circulating fluid through the drill pipe, and then we're dumping the cuttings back on the seafloor.
Okay. Oh, that's really cool.
Where in an oil rig, you'd bring the cuttings back to the rig and clean them.
Okay.
And recirculate mud, but we drill with seawater.
Okay.
Instead of drilling muds like an oil well.
And so how long does it take for us currently to go all the way down to the bottom of the seafloor where we're at?
With the wire line or the bit?
With the bit.
With the bit takes about 12 hours of tripping to get down and start pouring.
Wow. 12 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
putting the pipe together, we keep it in stands. You can see them out there. And those stands are about 29 meters each. And then we screw each one together until we get down. The seafloor is a little over 3,000 meters right now.
Wow. Wow, that's really cool. And how long have you been out here working?
About 34 years.
34 years.
Yeah.
On the JR?
On the JR.
Well, that's really fantastic.
A long time.